equal deposit of love. What you do with that deposit determines how you end in life. I believe that I love God. God knows I love Him. But I don't believe I am operating at the highest level of love. I'm still growing. But I believe that I have passed the realm of minimum or average love. I believe I've grown, but I believe that the journey is still far, which is what Paul was saying, that I forget what's behind. I'm reaching towards I. So I personally believe I have a long journey to get to the highest level I want to get to. So this thing is reality. What I consider as my level of love for God may not be someone else's level of love for God. So what I see as not bad, I love God at least, I love you to certain levels. Somebody else, that may be so achievement, and I want to be like Pastor Wife. And somebody else may see me as an ant, not even may see me because of what that person has done with God over years. The sacrifice. Because how do you test love? The sacrifices that people have committed to serve God. What does it cost you to be a child of God? One of the greatest tests of love is the cost of love. You know the reason why Satan is attacking love in Christian marriage. Once love dies, man dies. When you see a man sit in the hospital with his wife, he's not going home to have his sick for 1 month. I have a man of God who fasted and prayed for his wife for 3 months. Every day for 3 months, 90 days. He told me personally he fasted. The wife was between heaven and earth. Said she must not die. That's love. There is a cost of love. What you are willing to give for God, there is nothing I cannot give God. The question is, we claim to have given our heart to Jesus, but there are things we are keeping in our pocket. How can the man's life be given to Jesus and his money is still with him? Does that correlate? Your life embodies your money. Your life, your career. So I gave my life to Jesus means I gave my money, I gave my marriage, I gave my finance, I gave my opportunities. Let God decide. But that's not the case. For many of us, we switch books. When it's about finance, say keep God out of this. I will do my own way. When it's about marriage, I need God. God, let me talk my wife's out, talk my husband's out. When it's about a career, I do what I like. When it's about, so that you can't be cherry picking shoes of life to submit to the love of God. The entirety of your being must be bent on God's love. The level of sacrifice you are willing to make will tell God how much you love Him. How much you love Him. This man fasted for 90 days for his wife. He said she must not die. Today, the wife is living. She didn't die. And another woman ran away from the husband. And man was sick. So in the time of marriage, when they say for sickness, for health, they are not confessing negative things to people. They're just telling you the reality that true love will be tested. True love will be tested. Don't claim to love God when you are not expecting test. They will test it. Something will test it. Circumstance will test it. And it will be tested when you will have options. When you have need, when you have need for money, that is when they will test you. To know the kind of people we have in the world today, you must be ready to submit your love to test. Love is going to be tested. True love will be tested. Only fake love will be tested. If you love God truly, it will be tested. I always quote what Leonardo said. He said, Jesus must either be Lord of all or not Lord at all. The whole of my life. I'm not perfect. Many times when I make mistakes, I say, Father, please help me. Help me to be the best person I want to be. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Please help me. I don't want to do this again. And I tell God, I show God my heart. Because I don't want to miss